If you find yourself with a camera in your hand and want to learn how to use it, please subscribe to this channel, like the videos, comment below. Hi Photos family, today we are talking about the mentor or mentors within a story of our hero's journey. I think I ended the helper episode by talking about the helpers as guardians. I think really and truly I need to be careful in how I discuss this without crossing the line between those that are helpers and those that are guardians. There actually may be some crossover. Really and truly though, the duties and the actions of a helper, thinking about it, will not cross over into the specific duties of a guardian. A helper is not responsible or would not feel compelled to give their life so that the hero can continue and carry out the objective. I want to make sure that that's clear. The guardian, in a very real sense, completes nearly all of the objectives of the helper. However, the guardian does not know the information the helper does. So there's some overlap in what they do. It's, I guess you could say it's very much like a Venn diagram. The Venn diagram categorizes what each person does, and then it also shows where each of the responsibilities of those individuals, where their duties overlap. And so the Venn diagram being two circles, you got a circle here and you've got a circle here, you see, and maybe that's better. There's going to be some overlap, and I don't have big enough hands, but you kind of get the picture. And all of you, I'm sure, have seen a Venn diagram. If you don't know what a Venn diagram is, you can search VEN, I believe. I don't know that there would be two N's. Diagram, DIAGRAM. But it's very much just as I described. It is two circles that hold in mass. Speaking of people, a helper and a guardian that discuss or list their duties, and then it overlaps where they are. Now, I did not intend to make this video about helpers and guardians because we have a third category of individual that we need to discuss, and this is the mentor. This is very much a new category of individual because this individual may have had, or I would say it has the very high likelihood of having gone through the same adventure, challenge, or whatever the story is about for our hero. They have been through it. They've accomplished their challenge and they've completed it. Now they're helping this hero walk through their challenge. They're helping them to form, to execute, to focus on, and to complete, to remember the purpose of their struggle, what they're going through right now. The mentor has a very clear duty to not make the choices or to execute things for the hero, but to set them up as they can. And sometimes the mentor can't set them up. But the mentor must set up the hero to be able to make the choice that they should, or to force them into the choice. That's actually one of the things having talked with some individuals about hero's story and those kind of thoughts and the process behind it all, why some of the mentors are not loved characters. I'm trying to find a way to picture this for photography. There might not be an easy way to put this into the thought of photography. However, I guess maybe the best way to picture this for photography is thinking about that element of your photograph that you just don't love, but is necessary to tell the story of the focus of your image. That's the mentor. The mentor at times makes things very difficult for the hero. You ever thought about that? That's actually one of the reasons why we don't love the mentor in a hero's story. It's because he should have helped the hero more. Well, maybe, but it's been their experience through going this kind of challenge themselves, that adventure. It wouldn't have been a help if they had been given the choice instead of being forced to make the choice. Let us know what you think down below, and what the mentor is all about, what the guardian is all about, and what the helper is all about. Thank you so much for watching. Give us a thumbs up so that other people can join us on this journey. And if you're not yet a subscriber, we would love to have you on our journey as a helper, or maybe a guardian, maybe a mentor, because I know I need a lot of them. Thank you so much. God bless.